Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to backup Office 365 mailboxes to PST format using Microsoft eDiscovery tool. Okay, so before we proceed, we should keep in mind that there are some system requirements. Uh, First of all, operating system, it should be Windows 7 or any later version like Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay, then .NET Framework 4.7 should be installed on your system. After that, browser, you can use Internet Explorer version 8 or later versions. Or if you want to use Google Chrome or Firefox, then you will need to install an add-in Click once to perform this action. Okay, the overall backup process will include only three steps. First we will choose eDiscovery administrator. An eDiscovery administrator can view and edit all cases regardless of permissions. After that, we will perform new content search. The search window will let you search for the mailboxes so that you can backup them to PST. And the final step will be we will export the search result to PST. We will export the result to PST using eDiscovery export tool. Okay, so let's get started with our first step, that is choose eDiscovery administrator. To choose eDiscovery administrator, first of all you will need to log into your Microsoft Office 365 account, and then you will need to click on admin option. From the Microsoft 365 admin center, you will need to click on security, and from security you will see an option of permissions. Just click on this option and find eDiscovery manager from the list. Okay, then just select eDiscovery manager, and from there scroll it down and you will see an option of eDiscovery administrator. Just click on edit button. See, I have already selected Harsh Dixit as the eDiscovery manager. You can add it or remove if required. Okay, you can add more members. Okay, so after choosing your eDiscovery manager, you will need to click on save button and then click on close. Okay, so we have already done with our first step, that is choose eDiscovery administrator. Our next step will be perform new search content. Okay, in this method we will search mailboxes in Office 365 format, as there are multiple things like SharePoint files and several other stuff. So in this window we will only perform backup of Office 365 mailboxes to PST format. Okay, so for that, what you will need to do, you will need to click on search option. Okay, here is the search option, and from search you will see an option of content search. Just click on this option. Now from this window, you will need to click on new search. Okay, now you can see I have selected locations as a specific location. This is because if I change this to all location, then it will search from whole products, like it will search from SharePoint as well. Okay, and it will take more time. So I will search with specific locations, and I will search my specific location from there. From there I will only enable exchange emails, and then we'll click on save button. Okay, and also you can add conditions to your search query. You can add conditions like date wise, sender, size wise, subject wise, and there are multiple conditions. Okay, you can select if required, otherwise you can proceed without any conditions. Okay, you can also enter search keywords. Okay, so what search keywords we will do, see, enter a keyword or keyword phrase in each row. The keywords in the list will be connected by the OR operators in the search query. You can also paste multiple keywords in the list. Okay, so you can enter your keywords here. You can enter keywords also. In my case I am not entering anything, and I will just click on save and run. Now I will give a name to my search. I am giving it as PST export. Okay, then click on save. Okay, after saving the search results, our next option is to export the results. See, sometime you may not see this option, export results. That is because of three reasons. That can be because of three reasons. One is you have not assigned mailbox import export roles to that mailbox. Okay. The second reason can be you are using Google Chrome and have not installed that's on click once add-in. Okay, and the third reason can be you may be using Internet Explorer version 8 below versions. Okay, so or sometime if you have all these stuffs done, then you should wait for at least 24 hours, as sometime it takes time to appear this option. Okay, so if you are able to see this option export results, just click on this option, and then you will see some output options and export exchange content as option. From output options, see all items excluding ones that have unrecognized format, are encrypted, or were not indexed for other reasons. All items including ones that have unrecognized format, are encrypted, or were not indexed for other reason. Only items that have an unrecognized format are encrypted or were not indexed for other reason. You can choose any of the option. In my case, I am choosing first one. Okay, and export exchange content, I am choosing here as one PST file for each mailbox, as it will be easy for me to maintain. Okay, after doing all these stuffs, just click on export button. Okay, after clicking on export results, just close this button and then go to exports tab, and see there will be an PST export. Okay, just click on this button, and then you will see an option of download results. Okay, just click on this option, download results. Now see, it will ask you to install the plugin Microsoft Office 365 Discovery Tool, Export Tool. Just install it. Okay, once the tool has been installed, it will ask you to paste the export key that will be used to continue to the source. Okay, you can find the export key there. Just copy the export key, and then again click on export results button. Now just paste the export key there and browse the location where you want to save the PST files. In my case, I am using desktop as my location, and then click on start button. So it will start downloading your data to PST format. Okay, then you will need to wait for some time so that whole your data can be downloaded. Later you can import the data to your Outlook format if required. Okay, see, finally I have successfully backed up my data to PST file format. Okay, now you can easily import those PST files to Outlook to view its content. To open the PST files in Outlook, just open your Outlook, click on Files, and then click on Open and Export. From there, click on Open the Outlook data file. Now from there, you will need to migrate to the downloaded data, and then you can just select the mailbox that you want to view. Okay, in the top of the information store, see there are 4 inboxes. Okay, hope you liked our video. If you need any assistance, or if you are facing any difficulty at any step, just comment below. I will reply as soon as possible with the solution. Okay. Thank you.